Southern plastic surgery not only helps their patients look better, but they make them healthier and happier. Here to explain how it's done is Dr. Dave Whiteman and satisfied patient Denise Guthrie. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. And Denise, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Well, let's talk, Dr. Whiteman. Tell us all about this health and wellness program and why you actually decided this was something that needed to be done at the practice.
Well, we've seen plastic surgery patients for 20 years, and one of the things that we kind of realized is that you have to treat the patient as a whole. Patients initially come in seeking an operation, but unless you can get them to focus on their diet, exercise, and their whole life, changing their lifestyle, just doing an operation is not going to be of any value.
Exactly. It kind of needs to be this whole mind shift, and that's where this program comes in. And Denise, first of all, thank you for being here. We love meeting patients and love hearing your personal story. Talk about why you decided to get involved with this health and wellness program. Give us your background.
Well, I was going through reconstruction for breast cancer, and while I was going through it, I did not want to lose cardio, exercise and stuff, so I asked to talk to Jackie about diet and exercise, which they had, and they offered it to me, and that kept me going through what I was going through. So.
And how are you feeling now, by the way?
I'm doing great now.
Good, good. I'm so happy to hear that. And talk to me about the process. I know that's such a important personal decision. How did you go about finding Dr. Whiteman, and what made you select him for this reconstructive surgery?
I had a really close friend that went through breast cancer, and she highly recommended Dr. Whiteman, and when I talked to my surgeon about him, I just knew it's a perfect match because he has that personal touch, and his office makes you feel like your family.
What about this health and wellness program? Talk about how that is an extension, as he was saying, of the surgery, and why that's helped you kind of change your life.
Well, basically what happened was Jackie was giving me information about food and different supplements I should be taking before I have surgery so that the recovery would be shorter and I would have a healthier body as I was going through the process. So that really helped me out, and it kept me focused on eating healthy.
Right, right. And Dr. Whiteman, do most people who come in for surgery, do they take part in this? Is this something you're really encouraging?
Yeah, we offer it to everybody. Of course, everybody has their own style. Denise is being a little kind of self-deprecating. She actually was a triathlete.
Denise!
She was a major exerciser. And when she went through her illness, she realized she couldn't do what she wanted to do, but she kept asking, when can I get back to doing stuff?
Right.
So we helped her getting back to doing the things that she enjoyed to kind of take away the negativity. So.
And Denise, talk to me about the support of your family and your friends. I understand, I mean, this is, something that no family wants to hear that word. And then when you all have to kind of hunker down and decide to do this fight together, how were they through this whole process?
They were very supportive. They really came up and they were there for me every step of the way. But I also had an awesome doctor and his staff that encouraged me when I sort of doubted myself, but they were always there to give me encouraging words. But yes, they were there for me every step of the way.
Oh, wonderful. And we're showing some really great pictures, and there you are on the bike. I mean, that's
my son.
That's incredible. Are you hoping to get back into doing that, or one step at a time?
He's encouraging me, yes. I'm hoping to.
Perfect. That's great. And Dr. Whiteman, you have a great reputation. I will say I'm excited. I'm going to their office tomorrow because one of your estheticians I've heard so many great things about through Molly, who comes on the show, Chef Molly. And your reputation, it just precedes you. But for anybody who's not familiar with who you are, when someone is going through choosing a plastic surgeon, whether it is for just cosmetic reasons or for reconstructive reasons, what are the things that they need to be looking for?
Number one, experience.
Yeah.
Number two, they need to be open. The surgeon needs to be able to talk to them about issues that are potential complications, the ability to understand what the patient is seeking and how they can carry that out. The real key is you got to feel that it's a relationship, because when we have a patient consultation, it's a two-way street.
Right.
We are interviewing the patient, but the patient should be interviewing their doctor as well.
Right.
And the staff is also key. The staff, our staff has been with us 15, 16 scale. It's probably not going to be significantly different. Liposuction is designed to contour shape, but it's not a weight loss operation.
Okay, good to know. A lot of people, I think, are under that misconception. So thank you so much, Doctor. Look forward to, hope I get to see you tomorrow when
Yes.
I'm up there. And Denise, thank you. I'm so
Thank you.
glad you're in great health and continued health and wellness for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you would like to contact Southern Plastic Surgery, give them a call right now, 770-622-9100, or log on to southernplasticsurgery.com.